Yo guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to get AltStore on all iOS versions and all iOS devices, guys, on any version device, whatever you guys are on, iPhone, iPad, it doesn't matter. You could be on an iPhone Air, iPhone 17, no matter what, guys, you can get this AltStore apps and basically get any app you want on your iPhone or iPad or whichever, guys. And basically sideload anything, guys. No computer is required for this method. You don't need to do anything crazy to your device or anything. You can do this literally just straight off your phone, just using your browser, and that's it, guys. It's like a 2-minute process to get it all set up, guys, and you'll get no revokes or anything like that, guys. It's the easiest way on how to sideload apps on iPhone and basically get modded apps and basically tweaked apps and everything for free. No jailbreak, no computer required, just using your browser, just using your phone, guys. It's super awesome, and I highly recommend you guys hop on this right now while it's still working. It's so cool, guys. You could literally get like anything you want. Your device is basically like fully wide open, and yeah, like I said, it works on any iPhone, any iPad, no matter what device or version you guys are on. You could be on iOS 26, 27, latest update, it doesn't matter, and you will never get revokes, guys. Like if you're trying to fix revokes, this is the best way to do it as well. So let me just show you guys the icon and everything. So here it is, AltStore, and yeah, it's like I've tried so many methods to get AltStore on my iPhone or iOS 27 or 26 device, and nothing really worked except for this method, guys. I'm so happy I finally found this method. So I'll show you guys how to do this. Like I said, all you need is your browser, and that's it, and just an internet connection. It's super easy. The steps are so easy to follow, guys. So the first thing we're going to do here, guys, we're going to pop open our browsers, and we're going to head on over to this site right here. So just get this typed in, guys. And yeah, so just get that typed in and just hit the go button. Now once you hit the go button, you want to just search for AltStore. So there it is, AltStore, and so you just tap on that, guys, and so there it is, get AltStore app for all iOS devices. And so yeah, it's like a very, very simple installation process. It's very, very easy, guys. So all you guys do is you just literally just tap on here and you hit the start button, and once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now once that bar is finished, it's going to take you to the setup wizard. Now basically what the developers did was they hid the files for AltStore within these apps on the App Store, and basically when you get these apps to do exactly what their instructions say to do, it initiates a file transfer to your device for all the files for the AltStore app. Within a few minutes of completing those instructions, the AltStore app will load right onto your device. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. Just take your time with it, be patient, don't rush through it, and you will get that app on your device. Honestly, I recommend just doing all of the apps from the start. That way you don't need to keep going back and doing it over again, guys. So yeah, just literally, guys, just do all the apps from the start. Do exactly what their instructions say to do. Don't skip through any steps. Don't rush through it or anything, guys, and you'll get that app, okay? It's super, super easy, okay? So that's how to install AltStore on iOS, iPhone, iPad, latest versions, newest updates, whatever, guys, and get tweaked apps, modded apps, and basically, yeah, like sideload apps for free. It's super easy, okay, guys? So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it.